is my early commute to work, as of course it is traffic. It's about 8:02 a.m. I'm gonna be at work at 9. And as usual, guys, early commute is traffic. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes of freeway. When it's the morning work hours, everybody headed north. As you can see in that side there, that's the south. It's clear. So during the afternoon, the south is the one that's traffic, and the north is free. Alright, you guys, it's just gonna be the short video. A little cloudy. Sun hasn't come out yet. Have a blessed Thursday, everyone. It's 8:03 a.m. now, and I'm going to work. Schedule at 9 o'clock, 9 to